a better Sacramento. News 93.1, KFBK on 1530 AM and your iHeartRadio app.
By now, you have to know. Boosters for Pfizer, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson vaccines are available. They help keep your immunity strong and help keep you and others protected against COVID-19 and its variants. Visit myturn.ca.gov to find out if you're eligible and to find a booster near you. Let's keep each other safer and healthier this winter. Get your booster, and don't forget to get your flu shot, too. Brought to you by the California Department of Public Health.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
KFBK, Sacramento.